Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come and show you guys how I got this Define Bouncy twist out that I was rocking for New Year's Eve. I got a lot of questions and reviews about it, so I wanted to come and show you guys how I achieved this look. So I'm actually going to be working on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I've already applied my leave-in to my hair. I know it looks dry, but my hair is 50 to 60% wet, which is actually what my ideal twist out would be with my hair. I can't work on soaking wet hair because of the way my hair is, it'll never dry. I'll be using the Mielle Organic Honey Pomegranate Twist Souffle. It's my go-to cream right now. It does a very good job with holding my hair, and it's a very creamy texture that I like to have. So I'm going to go in and apply the cream onto the strands of my hair. I do like to make sure that I fully spread this throughout the strands of my hair and focus on the tips of my hair, since that is where you'll see a lot of the breakage and damage on your hair. So you want to make sure it's moisturized to the fullest potential. And I like to massage the cream in until my hair starts separating a little bit by itself. And I go in directly and start twisting it. As I get towards the tips of my hair, if I realize I don't have enough cream on the tips, I do go back in and apply additional cream just to make sure that the tips of my hair are fully moisturized. I also stop about a half an inch before the tip, and I just twirl it around my finger just to make sure that once I go to separate it, I have just that separating pattern. I'll do this throughout the rest of my hair. I like to make medium to large size twists. I don't make tiny twists just due to the pattern of my hair. It makes it even more tangled if I do make smaller twists. So I like to keep my medium to large, making sure that I smooth that cream in as much as possible and twist, twist, twist. Again, getting towards the tips, make sure that I have enough moisture, and also a half an inch before the end, I just twist it around my fingertip, just giving it that natural twist look. So now that I've completed the twist throughout my hair, the front part of my hair, it really has a strange pattern, so I end up flat twisting the front part, just basically still applying the cream and smoothing that throughout my hair, but this time the twist will be attached to my head in the front. It just makes it simpler, and it makes it look a bit neater when I do take it down. So as I complete the flat twist, I actually bring that all the way down to my ear and still follow the same pattern as I did with the rest of the twist, and make sure that I twist it around my finger about a half an inch away from the end. So there's the finished product. Everything is twisted, and I'll go to sleep with a satin bonnet. So the next day I Want to go in and apply my oil. Since it's actually a little colder outside, I like to go in with a thicker oil, so I'll be using the jojoba oil, or I like to use a almond oil in the summer months. I'll apply this oil throughout the twist just to make sure that it's fully applied, and also will make it easier when I do start to take the twist down. Now, when taking the twist down, I like to make sure that I am very careful, letting them untwist naturally and not pulling them apart, because it does actually help to prevent frizz when you let them come apart naturally. Don't do what I just did. As you've seen, it actually made my hair a little bit tangled, and the twist really just didn't fall too right. So that is not what you want to do. You want to make sure that you're gentle. Just look at that curl definition. Make sure that you're untwisting the opposite way that you twisted, and your hair will actually feel and look a bit better with no frizz. So I'll continue this process throughout the rest of my hair, just untwisting every twist that I can. I know I've went sometimes with whole twist still sitting, but I do my best with trying to undo each twist as much as possible, just being gentle and letting them unravel and untwist. As I move on to the next stage of unraveling, I add additional oil again to help with the frizz, making sure that I keep that down as much as possible. And I'll go in, and those sections that I've already separated, I unravel. And as you can see, the hair just wants to come apart, and you just want to go ahead and separate as it wants to come apart, and make sure that you follow along those lines of where it does want to come apart, and you'll see those curls start to pop. So I continue to do this throughout the rest of my hair. As you see, one side is separated and fluffed, and I'm working on the next side, just separating and just doing a little twist just to help that curl formation and make sure that that frizz doesn't start going haywire on me. As you can see, the curls just actually start to come loose. I actually noticed some gray hair right there, but besides the point, you do want to go ahead and separate that hair as much as you like. Sometimes I like to keep my curls a little bit together and separate throughout the week. I call it watching my hair blossom throughout the week. But this night I was actually going somewhere for New Year's Eve, so I did a full separation and fluff. So here's the end product. You can see I'm just doing some more shaking and fluffing and just making it so that it's the shape that I want it to be in. So there you have it, my Define Bouncy twist out. This has actually been one of the best twist outs that I've done thus far. Of course, if you do have any comments, if you do have any questions, feel free to go ahead and comment. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks again, Curly Cues. See you next time.